Hello everyone, today's activity is plantation and watering the plants. So let's start the activity.
Planting plants with kids is a good recreational nature activity. It adds beauty to nature. For this activity, material required: 1 pot for planting, mud, 1 plant, watering pot or watering can. Let's begin the activity. First, we will take an empty pot. Then we will fill mud in it. The mud should be a little moist. If the child is not comfortable in touching the mud directly, then you can use gloves. Now we will place the plant in the pot that is full of mud. Place it properly and firmly with the help of your hands. In this way, our plantation process is done. After planting the plant properly in the pot, give water to the plant with the help of the watering pot. For the growth of the plant, we need to water it properly in the morning and in the evening, that is, twice a day. As we need water and food to grow, plants need the same in the form of water and sunlight. Gardening is a healthy and fun activity for children. Children develop new skills and learn more and more about plants. Responsibility comes from caring for plants. This is a chance to learn about the outdoor environment in a safe and pleasant place. Nutrition learning also comes, and the fresh fruit from where it comes is also learned through this activity. Thank you.